You can receive payments in under 10 seconds. $5.50, $5.75, and $5 again in under 10 seconds. And once you've earned your money, you can cash out using PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfers, Payoneer, and a variety of other payment options available globally. And yes, this is absolutely free. To get started, you don't need to spend any money. This is incredibly beginner-friendly, and I'll walk you through a real-life example and show you how to do it in under 10 seconds for $5 in a moment. It's just a simple method for brand new beginners to start making money every day without selling, referrals, affiliate marketing, followers, or anything else. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Now, I'm going to show you a website called 5squid in today's video. You can now visit www.5squid.com, but before you do, I urge you that you watch the entire video. Now, first and foremost, I'm going to show you a lot of examples, proof, and a special bonus step at the conclusion of the video since you don't want to lose out on getting paid. Basically, users use this website to purchase, sell, and request various services, which typically cost approximately $5. Take a look at this. You'll find a list of services given by others if you scroll down below. I'm not expecting you to do any films or graphics or anything like that, so don't worry. I make every effort to make things as simple as possible for you. I'll show you a fully free approach that you can put to action right away to make $5 in under 10 seconds. People all throughout the world are receiving a new $5 bill. They continue to accept funds directly into their PayPal account, as you can see here. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can still get your funds in a variety of ways. So when you go to 5squid.com's homepage, you'll click on this button to see what categories we can earn money in. Graphic design, internet marketing, music, writing, and translation are just a few examples. You don't need any technical knowledge to achieve this. You are not need to create any design. You don't even have to make any videos, and you don't have to sell anything. Now, on this page, I want to show you something truly unusual, which is a brand new release on the market that no one else is talking about. Now, under the other area, as you can see right here, I want you to click on the category Your Message On, and then on this link, which will take you on this page about this really unique service called Your Message On. Essentially, you may locate people from all around the world who earn $5 by just delivering the service Your Message On. Simply click on the service right there to be taken to this page where you can see that for £5, I will have Einstein write you 3 messages on Blackboard. You can now make more than $5 by converting £5 into US dollars. However, this platform will charge you a little processing fee, but you can be confident that you will keep $5 for each service you offer. You can see a preview right now, and it will aid you in typing any text you want, as if Einstein were assisting you in writing a text on the blackboard. And this is actually a very good service that a lot of people will buy. As you can see, this seller offers a variety of services for $5 to $20 on a regular basis. You might be wondering, how am I going to do that? On the chalkboard, I'll write whatever I want. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. We could simply go to hitamil.com and search for Einstein, which would result in a dynamic Einstein images. As you can see, this is precisely what you're looking for at this time. You can see that on this Done For You image, you can add your own text, put whatever you want right here, and then click the Alter Image button. And it will appear on the image. They'll show you an equation off to the right as well as the text by default, for example. So let's say I can put whatever I want based on what my consumer wants. But for this video, I'll put welcome to Daily Cash Tips and change this right here to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and change the image by simply clicking on this button. You're only going to use this for that purpose. At Hitamill.com, everything is done for you, and you can make done-for-you photographs like this based on what your consumer wants. And as you can see, people are charging real money for it. You may charge £5 for just 3 mails like this. Before we go any further, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video thus far. If you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now it's time to return to work and start earning some money. This freelancer now has positive feedback on their profile, suggesting that others have used their services. That is, there's a market for the service, and you can give it without any technical or visual design expertise. You may create graphics similar to this by going to the Hitamill website and changing the wordings to whatever you want based on your client's desire. If you're using a computer or a laptop, you can utilize a snipping tool or simply take a screenshot with your smartphone. All you have to do now is save it to your phone or computer and email it to a customer, and you'll have a $5 bill in under 10 seconds. If you don't want to use the done-for-you Einstein template, you can alternatively use Uncle Sam and Quaker. For example, I can modify the text on the done-for-you photographs by clicking on this template right here. There are many people that want you to change the design for them, and you may do effortlessly on this website. Anyway, let's look for this Quaker example. If you click this link, you'll be brought to this website where you can make further changes to this image. As you can see, that's actually rather clever and hilarious, and you could just list all of your services on Fivesquid.com. Basically, under the category Your Message On, there are a plethora of sellers offering a range of services for $5. So you'll create a free account by clicking the Join button at the top of the page, which will take you to this page. Enter your email address and click the Proceed button to sign up for free right now. As promised, at the end of the video, I'll show you another Fiverr bonus, this time in a very unique category. And if you search for the phrases Einstein Your Message On, you'll see that a few people are taking advantage of this currently popular trend. As you can see, there are 1 to 5 services mentioned here, each of which can earn you $5. So if you're still watching this video, you have an early opportunity to go to Fiverr.com or Fivesquid.com and sell this exact equivalent services for $5 each time. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.